Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about making a looping track in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and the reality is that there is no direct way of making a looping track. The closest thing you can get to is if you create a song. So we'll go ahead and hit create here. Then here with the lyrics. Now, if you're going to try to do an instrumental, the best thing you can do is to put that into your prompt, is to try to say, I want a looping track of a certain style. So what we can do is we'll hit instrumental here. Let's actually go to simple. We want to go to simple here, and then we want to say a looping EDM beat, something like that, and then you can hit create. Now the thing is that this is a bit of a shot in the dark. You might get what you're looking for, but the fact is that this is about as close as you're going to get when it comes to Suno doing something like this. Another thing you can do is if you set the lyrics, then what you can do is just make sure that your lyrics are looping so that there isn't very much variety. So if you have like a specific tagline or something like that, then what you might want to do is go with like an EDM beat, electronic, something along those lines. And then up in the top, just select the line that you want. And then we'll just delete all this. And then what you can do is copy and just paste it over and over again. And this is really the closest that you're going to get to being able to create a looping track. Otherwise, you will have to make the track, whatever it is, and then if you're familiar with how to use a DAW, then you can use a DAW to try to loop the track the way that you want it to. But that is the closest that you're going to get to creating a looping track in Suno. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. And if you're interested in an online bank, if you're looking for a new online bank, try Simply Financial. Take a look at the referral link there in our Linktree. And if you click on that link, you'll get $50 to start if you open up an account. Once you have the account open, if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to open up an account. It's a win-win situation, and Simply Financial is really a fantastic bank. Comes highly recommended.